Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a simple yet incredibly useful feature when you need to fix the orientation of images within your PDF files without having to recreate the entire document. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Go ahead and enter those details to access your account. This step ensures that all your files and settings are synced and ready to work with. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This area displays all the PDF documents you've recently opened or worked on, making it easy to find what you need without digging through folders. From this list, select the file that contains the image you want to rotate, click on it to open the document in your workspace. Now that your PDF is open, direct your attention to the upper left toolbar. Here, you'll find various editing options that Adobe Acrobat offers. Click on the Edit button. This action activates the editing mode, allowing you to make changes to the content within your PDF, including text and images. With editing mode now active, click directly on the image you want to rotate. When you do this, you'll notice that the image becomes highlighted with a selection box around it. This indicates that the image is now ready for editing. You'll also see several handles appear around the image, each serving different purposes like resizing or rotating. Look for the circular rotation handle. This is typically located at one of the corners or edges of the selection box and is designed specifically for rotating the selected image. Click and drag this circular handle to rotate the image to your desired angle. You can rotate it freely until you get the exact orientation you need. The rotation happens in real time, so you'll see the changes as you move the handle. Once you're satisfied with the rotation and the image is positioned exactly how you want it, it's time to save your work. In the upper right corner of the screen, locate and click the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made, including the image rotation, are permanently applied to your PDF document. Give it a moment to process and save, and there you have it. You've successfully rotated an image in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This straightforward process allows you to quickly fix image orientations and maintain the professional appearance of your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.